Ever felt like you're putting in all the effort, but she barely notices? What if there was a way to turn things around, to make her the one longing for you? In today's video, we're diving into powerful strategies that can make her miss you intensely, even if she isn't interested right now. We'll explore the psychology of attraction, proven techniques to leave a lasting impression, and ways to spark curiosity so strong she can't stop thinking about you. Stick around, because this isn't about playing games. It's about becoming the best version of yourself and letting her see what she's truly missing. Ready to make her want you like never before? Let's get started. 1. The power of absence. First, you need to understand the psychology of scarcity. People tend to want what they can't easily have. If you're constantly available, texting, calling, always being around, you're taking away the mystery and the intrigue. To make her miss you, start by pulling back. Reduce your availability. Don't respond instantly to her texts, and avoid being overly eager. By creating distance, you let her experience life without you, which can trigger thoughts of missing your presence. When you're not around, she'll have time to think about you. The space creates curiosity, and with that curiosity comes the urge to reconnect. 2. Leave an emotional impact. It's not enough to simply pull away. You need to ensure that when you're with her, you leave a strong emotional impact. This could be through making her laugh, supporting her when she needs it, or just having meaningful conversations that resonate with her. If you want someone to miss you, they need to associate you with positive emotions. Think about this. What are you offering in her life that stands out? Is it your sense of humor, the way you make her feel understood, or maybe your unique perspective on things? Emotional memories are powerful. People miss those who made them feel special or different. So instead of trying to win her over with material things or grand gestures, focus on emotional connections that will linger long after you're not there. 3. Improve yourself. One of the most effective ways to make her miss you is to focus on yourself. This might sound counterintuitive, but when you invest in improving yourself, you not only build your confidence, but also become more attractive to others, including her. Start hitting the gym, working on personal projects, or pursuing a passion. Show her and the world that you're constantly evolving. This growth will naturally make you more intriguing and will make her second-guess any previous judgments she had about you. When she sees that you're focusing on your own life and not revolving everything around her, it creates a sense of curiosity. She'll wonder what's going on in your life and why you're not as available as before. This distance can make her miss the version of you that she once knew and the improved version that you're becoming. 4. Be mysterious. People are naturally attracted to mystery. It's human nature to want to figure things out, and when someone isn't an open book, we can't help but be drawn in. If you're always telling her everything, detailing every moment of your day, there's no intrigue left. So, how do you add mystery to your life? Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Let there be some unknowns. When you talk about your plans, keep things vague. If she asks what you're up to this weekend, you could say, "I've got something interesting planned," without giving too many details. This piques her interest and makes her more likely to think about what you're doing when you're not around. When you're mysterious, you become more interesting. The less she knows, the more she'll want to know, and this creates a pull effect that can make her miss you more intensely. 5. Build confidence and stay composed. Confidence is magnetic, and nothing drives attraction more than self-assuredness. If she senses that you're not desperate for her attention and that you're perfectly fine on your own, this can make her reconsider her initial lack of interest. People are naturally drawn to those who exude independence and confidence. Staying composed means not reacting emotionally if she doesn't immediately respond to you or if she seems distant. Don't chase her for attention. In fact, the more you can maintain your composure and show that you're in control of your emotions, the more respect and attraction you'll command. When you show emotional stability, she'll start questioning why you're not fazed by her actions, which may lead her to miss the attention you used to give. 6. Create meaningful moments together. When you do spend time with her, make sure those moments are impactful. It's easy to hang out casually, but you need to create moments that stand out. These are the experiences she'll think back on and miss when you're not around. Engage in deep conversations, share personal stories, or take her on an adventure that she'll remember. The goal is to associate your presence with something meaningful so that she doesn't just miss hanging out. She misses you. 7. Don't overwhelm her with attention. While it's important to be present when you're together, it's equally crucial not to overwhelm her with constant communication. If you bombard her with messages or try too hard to stay relevant in her life, you'll push her away. Instead, keep your communication balanced and don't always be the one initiating. This also means you shouldn't always be the one suggesting plans. Let her reach out to you sometimes. When she has to put in some effort, it shows she values your company, and when you're not always available at her beck and call, it increases your perceived value. 8. Give her a glimpse of what she's missing. Social media can be a powerful tool here. Instead of using it to send direct messages, let her see you living your life. Post about your successes, your fun outings, and your personal growth. Without being too obvious, show her that your life is fulfilling and exciting without her constant presence. The key here is subtlety. Don't overdo it by making it look like you're trying too hard. Instead, simply share snippets of your life and let her naturally come to the conclusion that she's missing out on something special by not being part of it. 9. Walk away if necessary. If after all this she's still not showing any signs of interest, it's time to consider walking away. You can't make someone miss you if they're genuinely not interested, but paradoxically, walking away can sometimes have the most profound impact. When she sees that you're willing to leave, it shows strength and self-respect. She might start to question her decision and realize what she's losing. Sometimes absence makes the heart grow fonder, and the fear of losing you for good can make her start missing you intensely. Final thoughts. Making someone miss you is about creating value, building emotional connections, and showing independence. It's about demonstrating that you are confident in yourself with or without her attention. Remember, though, that genuine connection can't be forced. If she's not interested, there's no shame in moving on and finding someone who truly appreciates what you bring to the table. But if she does start to miss you, it will be because you gave her the space to realize your worth rather than trying to convince her of it. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Remember, building genuine connections and valuing yourself are key to making someone truly miss you. Let me know in the comments what resonated with you, or if there are any other topics you'd like to see covered. Take care, stay confident, and keep growing. Until next time.